If you are open to what your customers really want, you'll save yourself a lot of heartache and time and effort and money. You are better off spending your money on researching and actually understanding really what your customers want, and then building out something but testing it as you go.
Yeah, and I think that's that iterative and learning approach, because in essence, if you design a product out of your own head, and this is my solution to this problem, that may not be the best solution at all.
Yep.
If you go and build off the back of that and don't speak to anyone, you might be in for a hard ride, especially when you get to the end and you launch a product and nobody comes. Yeah, and the point of what we're doing this for is helping people to understand that we don't want to be doing that. We want to be investing at early stage, understand the problem, understanding the requirements of the product, what's important to a user, what do they care about.
Yep.
Let's not just build everything, because that's not generally going to solve the problem. And also what I found is from a feature and requirements perspective, you can probably cut out 50, 60, 70, 80% of it and still deliver what the customer needs. A lot of people get lost in trying to add so much to a product because they think, what if we just add this, and we just don't want to completely avoid that situation.
Simplicity is really important.
Yes.
Because people do get confused by many, many different features. And features might be great, but combined, they are an overwhelming experience. And really what you're looking at is how does it solve the key problem? And then in terms of features, you can bury someone in those things. And they might be all useful, but the point is if combined they actually create a really bad experience, then even the fundamental product won't be used. And you don't want that. You're actually better off focusing on one, two great features than, 100 suboptimal ones, which you think addresses the actual customer problem. But it's such a clunky... like a hard process or product to use that you'll get overlooked. So you don't want that.
And you've invested so much into these 100 features. If you did 20, maybe you'd probably have a better likely chance of success.
I think so. Well, I mean, when you look at the products that are successful, it's because they're solving a problem for that solution. They're not trying to bury you with many, many things.